What's up? It's your girl Gabby, and today we're gonna have Joel do the voiceover because I don't feel like it. So we're gonna see whatever he does. I don't know. It's gonna be a mix of third and first person. It's gonna be real weird, but it's gonna. I don't know. It's gonna be a thing. So we'll see what he does with this. So let's get started then. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Make sure you swirl that thing around because otherwise it doesn't come out good. So you gotta. Oh, that smells nice. Now you got to get it and make sure you get it all up on your face. Get it everywhere. Up your nose, on your cheeks. Make sure that you don't stop until you are nice and red. Go ahead and get that shade, girl. And then you use this stick for something. Is it more rubbing? Is it more rubbing? I can't see. Your hands is off camera. Yeah, more rubbing. Rub it on your hands. Rub it up. Oh, you just tap it on your cheek. Tap it on your nose. Tap it on your forehead because you got to make sure that all matches. Get that blood flowing. Make it all red. Oh, closer look. Oh, this is cute. This is nice. I like this. 24-hour SMASHBOX. Okay, and more rubbing. It's always more rubbing. Just endless rubbing. Rub all this stuff in your face. But first, you got to put it over your face like you hiding who you are. Because, it's not like your face has already been in the video a whole bunch. But I guess you want people to know you're using Gemini. Oh, excited. So what color are we picking? Because now it's just all over your face. So we're going to start with Luna. Because, why not? It's a good color. I don't know. Is it? You tell me. Okay, now we'll make some kissy face. Yeah, kiss for the camera. Now we're going to use some Leo. Gabby's a Taurus, but Leo, is okay. It's a good animal. They're cute. The cats. Cats are good. I like cats. And then, I don't know what we're using now, because now we took away the little label image. So I guess we're blending. Blending forever. Welcome to blending. Because we're going to blend. We're going to blend for days. And now, we can only use a tiny bit. What happened to tiny bit? That's fine. If you use too much of a tiny bit, you just blend. Blend forever. Oh, God, I can't keep that going. You just keep blending and blending and blending. And now, what was that? We're going to use, goals. Goals. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Let's keep going. More. Yeah. Get that glittery gold. Oh, and then we adding black. Guess what's coming? There's gonna be more blending. All of the blending. Do you want to blend some makeup? Because we're gonna be here blending for days. That kind of came out terrible. But what can you do when you're ripping off some songs? Oh no! This is the part where you need to learn to color in the lines. Don't go outside the lines, because outside your lines is your eyeball. And then you have a pencil in your eye. And that's just bad. You don't want to do that. Just, oh God, why is it still going? How much eye can you have? Now, no look is complete without this next black stick because, everything comes in a black stick, especially eyeliners. Eyeliners is always in a black stick, especially if you get that Kat Von disease nonsense. Get polio, rubella, measles. What a collection. All good for your kids. And, well, if you don't want the kids. Now, you may not know this, but Gabby loves her some medieval stuff. So, of course, no look is complete without a medieval torture device. Gotta get that face beat for the gods. Oh, wait, no, they outlawed the gods. Okay, gotta get that face beat for God. And just, I guess, keep going. Oh, holographic tube. Oh, that's mascara. Oh, no, can we stop with the eye stuff? Like, this stuff really wigs me out. Back to the face. And use too much. Always use too much. Because if you use too much, you can make faces like me. They're super cute. And then you just all over your face. Just rub it in. Rub it nice and good. Because you don't want to match your bow. If you match your bow, you're all red. And you don't want to do that. And now we're stuck back in blending purgatory. Because blending takes forever. That's why most of this gets edited out. You may not know this. It takes a long time to blend. Because you just keep going and going. And now on to the next product. So you're going to apply this under your eyes like it's war paint. Because you are what? You are a fierce warrior. No, you're going to blend it out. Never mind. I didn't say anything because I have no idea what's going on here. You just blend and blend some more. We never leave this blend purgatory. Now what? What is this? Is this more eyeliner? Just got to have more and more. And oh my God, I think my accent has shifted something. Hey, that smells good, eh? Well, if it smells like peach, it should better smell good. Unless you're lying to us. Are you lying, Gabby? Does it actually smell like peaches? No, you're too cute. You would never lie. And then you just keep blending and blending. And oh my God, all this blending. I seem to have really shifted geographically. Oh, this continuity problem is going to keep haunting me. They had the Eiffel Tower on it. You know what? Y'all may not know this. I love me some Paris. Paris is a beautiful city. I just, it stinks. Well, no city's perfect. You just go in there, the subway smells of pee, and we are off track because something is happening with the eyebrows now. So what are we doing here? Oh, we're just looking cute? Looking cute for the camera? Yeah. Who looks cute for the camera? All right, now what are we doing? We double fisting? We double fisting products? One on each eyebrow? I don't know. How does this work? What do you do with these? Nope, never mind. We're not even going to use them because we is cute as fuck. Yeah. And now we're going to use lip gloss because Joel hates lip gloss, and we're going to kiss him a bunch because, that's what we do. We apply lip gloss to annoy the man because it's super inconvenient. And now that you're all done with that, you're going to take this bow and you're going to tell it to, oh, hello. What's Glam and Gore's line? Alexa, play Careless Whisper. Yeah. Get some good music going. Alright. Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of this look. Because oh my God, it is beautiful. And again, we've shifted back. I don't know where we're at anymore. I've been working on this thing for so many hours now. Somebody please let me out. She has me locked in here. Alright, bye guys. I'm so cute, but I have my husband locked in the room. Somebody send him help. No! Okay. Oh, good. Optional. Optional what? Optional more eye stuff? Please no more eye stuff.